Yeah. Go.
Okay. Excellent first half. Excellent first half. Started brightly. Really, really good stuff. Deserve to be in the lead. A little bit unlucky. I'm going to say unfortunate. Not to be more than the one ahead. But an excellent half of football. There's a few things I think that Marcos wants to touch on in terms of just some particular challenges in terms of shape and positioning that we just need to focus on. But if everybody's good to go, any problems, any issues, everybody fit?
Yeah.
All right, let's move on.
So, sorry, no, yeah. How you feel? What do you think? What do you think, guys? What's going on in that first half?
Anthony's getting a lot of room on the right hand side. He's always in space, and when he gets the ball, he can drive.
More?
I think we're winning our second balls, our shape's good, especially in the middle of the park.
Good. Yeah. So how we expected is right that obviously the opposition is matching our tactics, right? Or we're matching with them, which is okay. It's okay. We've done it to put a lot of trouble in that first half, and we're questioning them quite a bit, right? Excellent job, Anthony and Nick, on that width, is right. Fantastic Sebas and Mario putting a lot of trouble to that centre backs. It's okay. Alan is doing very good blocking that build up of them. They're struggling, boys. They're struggling, and obviously they're going to be losing their minds outside in the other locker room. But football-wise, it's right. I don't think that we need to change much. But I just wanted to make sure that we are understanding that now they actually make a sub, putting 2 6s instead of 1, right? Which it doesn't change much of what we're doing, because basically this is not a tactical game. This is something that we are in front because we beat them in the 50-50. And the support that we're giving after that long pass that we're doing, or that long ball when we actually got ledge here, is right, exposing the back with a penetration pass, is right here from the midfielders, of a long pass from our back three. What is interesting is that we attack in that area very well, but also we need to keep growing that we supporting that second ball. Is right. We actually supporting the number 9 when he's actually laying the ball and making very good third runs, right? Look, guys, we're winning 1-0, boys. I don't know. We need to keep going for 95 minutes, Mas. So, and seriously, I just wanted to make sure that you understand that the key of this game is that second effort, the third effort, and the fourth effort. This is home. And it's very important for us that we protect this, and if we can try to punish them without high pressing or in the transition, let's do it. It's right. Let's try to score a second and the third. It's right, if it is possible. It's okay. But no matter what, we're gonna just push until the very end. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Beautiful.